Hey y'all, I've started a little campaign and I'd like to let you in on it. In 10 days, I'll be flying out to Salt Lake City, Utah for doTERRA's Becoming Convention. But I don't have to enjoy this experience alone. The main event of convention is the new products that are coming out. And from what I've been hearing, they pulled out all the stops this time. You might be thinking, that sounds good and all, but what does that have to do with me? That's an excellent question, and there's actually an excellent answer for it. You can really be part of this yourself. You can actually experience these items right along with me. How, you ask? By purchasing your own virtual customer ticket. But here's the catch. First step is becoming a wholesale customer, and guess what? It's super simple. You just go to my referral site where you instantly have a free 1-year membership dropped in your bag. Anything you get is 25% off retail. Even if it's just one oil or product, the choice is yours. Plus, I'll personally send you a handmade gift just for joining. I make roll-ons and multi-use sprays by using these essential oils and blends. I have quite an assortment, so you just let me know what you like. Once you become a wholesale customer, please reach out to me and I'll send you the details on what to do next concerning convention. This big event is approaching fast, so please don't hesitate. This company is a godsend, and their products are truly life-changing. So I pray you'll make that decision soon. Y'all have a great night, and God bless.